Are you new to ChatGPT? Or maybe you've used it a little, but feel like you're just scratching the surface? In this video, I'm going to take you from zero to hero, showing you everything from the basics to pro-level prompts. By the end, you'll know how to use ChatGPT for content creation, learning to code, idea generation, project planning, and more. Let's dive in. Step 1. What is ChatGPT? Let's start with the basics. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI, designed to have human-like conversations. But it's much more than just a chatbot. It can help you write, brainstorm, explain concepts, solve problems, code, translate, and even act as an expert in various fields. Example: prompt, what is climate change in simple words? Try it yourself. ChatGPT will give you an easy-to-understand explanation. Now that you've seen that, let's explore how you can use it more effectively. Step 2. Asking better prompts. The quality of your results depends heavily on how you ask your questions. Let's see how to level up your prompts. Bad prompt. Tell me about marketing. Better prompt. Explain the top 5 digital marketing strategies for a small business in 2025. Try both of these, and you'll see how much more detailed and tailored the second response is. Now, let's get into boosting productivity. Step 3. Learn anything fast with ChatGPT. Want to learn something new quickly? ChatGPT can be your personal tutor. Prompt example: teach me Python as a beginner, starting with variables and data types. It will walk you through the concepts step by step. After that, just see the results from the previous prompt to get a deeper understanding. Ready to dive deeper into learning? Let's move on. Step 4. Create content in minutes. Struggling with writing? Whether it's blogs, emails, scripts, or captions, ChatGPT can help. Prompt example: write a 500-word blog on top 3 productivity hacks for students with examples. You'll instantly get a blog draft ready to use. Now, just look at what you got from that prompt, and you'll see how ChatGPT can save you time and effort in content creation. Let's explore idea generation next. Step 5. Brainstorm ideas like a pro. Stuck on ideas? ChatGPT is amazing at brainstorming. Prompt example: give me 10 unique YouTube video ideas for a tech review channel. Within seconds, you'll have a list of fresh ideas. Now, just look at the results from that, and let's keep the creativity flowing. Let's move on to coding. Step 6. Use ChatGPT for coding. Help. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced coder, ChatGPT can assist with code generation and debugging. Prompt example: write a JavaScript function that checks if a number is prime. ChatGPT will generate working code for you. If something's wrong, just ask, fix this bug, or explain this code line by line. Now, let's explore real-world applications. Step 7. Planning and productivity with ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT to organize your day, plan your goals, or break down complex tasks into manageable steps. Prompt example: help me create a weekly study plan to learn graphic design in 30 days. You'll get a detailed breakdown of what to focus on each day. Want to make it more flexible for weekends? Just ask. If this video helped, drop a comment with your favorite prompt so far. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future AI tutorials. See you in the next one.